Hi, I'm James from Angekis Technology, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of our Blade VS PTZ camera. We're actually recording this video using a Blade VS, as well as our ASP10 speakerphone, which you see here. So to get started, we've got the box. Comes with an outer sleeve, which has all the specifications and the details of the camera on the outside of the box. Opening up the box, inside there's a thicker box in between, which will keep it nice and sturdy for shipping. So to start with, comes with a really nice cleaning cloth. You actually get two cleaning cloths inside. One's a little bit coarser than the other, just to make it easy to clean your camera. Next up, we've got the instruction manual, which comes, of course, with starting off with the contents, and then all the details of the camera, quick start guide, all the DISCO protocols, basically everything you need to operate and get the camera working. Next up, we've got the mounting bracket. It's a solid steel mounting bracket, very sturdy, we're more than capable of holding the weight of the camera, and comes with the little thread to connect to the underside of the camera. Okay, next up we've got the camera itself. So let me get that out of the box. Here it is. So this is the Blade VS. So it comes in a plastic bag just to keep it dust free and nice and clean. So I'll remove that, and then we've got the camera. So as you can see, it's nice and sturdy. It's got a stainless steel trim, as well as the lens cover, which keeps the dust off the lens and keeps it scratch free. And then on the back here, you can see all the app. Following that, we have all the little bits and pieces of the accessories. So we've got the USB 2 cable. That's a 3 meter USB 2 cable, and of course we have the RS-232 cable as well. Put this down here. Then we have the power supply here, and then we've got the remote control. So on the remote control, you can actually operate 3 cameras from the one remote control, and then of course you've got the pan and tilt options here, 10 presets, settings controls, so you can control all the settings using on-screen controls, zooming in and out, and focusing in and out. So to sum that up, we've got the camera, the power supply, USB, RS-232, remote control, instruction manual, the cleaning cloths, and the little screws, and the mounting bracket. Okay, that was the unboxing of the Blade VS. Thanks, guys.